State lawmakers are trying to clarify a state immigration law that's currently being blocked from going into effect. Justin Core joining us now. And Justin, this is a bill that's aiming to fix some issues with a bill that became law last year.
That's right, Hunter. So last year, Idaho passed House Bill 83 into law, which, among other things, created state immigration crimes of illegal entry and re-entry. Now, it wasn't long until the ACLU sued, claiming that federal immigration laws preempt any state laws like this, and so that was unconstitutional. A judge blocked it from going into effect while this lawsuit works its way through the courts. Fast forward to today, a new Senate Bill 1260. Its sponsor, Senator Todd Lakey, says it clarifies and strengthens last year's law, while opponents say the new bill still too vague and also targets dreamers or undocumented immigrants brought here as kids. Lakey says, though, it clearly notes that it applies to adults that knowingly enter, attempt to enter, or are here in the U.S. illegally.
There's two aspects of preemption law. One is in conflict with federal law, and these efforts largely acknowledge that we're not in conflict, we're actually in compliance with federal law. The other aspect of preemption is occupation of the field. And that's what we're arguing over in the litigation. And again, this strengthens that we are not in conflict with federal law. We're complying with it when it comes to us issuing a citation.
I know that the dreamers really aren't here legally, according to, I think, a lot of folks, right? They were brought here of no choice. You know, their parents brought them here. So I'm really cautious about doing anything harmful to that group of people, especially if they had no say in that.
Nevertheless, this new bill did pass, now headed to the Senate floor.